In today's video, we will review care and maintenance of your HighCom carrier. To properly care for your carrier, you'll want to have water, a mild low sudsing detergent, a sponge, and toothbrush handy. And scrub with a toothbrush to remove any dirt or debris. Next, use a sponge to wipe that area clean. It is recommended to remove all ballistics prior to cleaning your carrier. You will want to repeat this process for any spots or problem areas on the carrier, both front and back. Next, you will want to lay the carrier flat on a clean surface. Pour a little water on the area to be cleaned. The carrier can be machine washed in cold water with a mild detergent or hand washed. And another reminder, if you choose to do so, as with any cleaning of carriers, be sure and remove all ballistic panels and plates. Once you have completed the process on the back of the carrier and the carrier is completely dry, reinsert ballistic panels and plates.